Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla in a 99 Nights in the Forest design. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our 99 Nights in the Forest version of Godzilla, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start here and let's just make an oval shape for one eye. You can see it's kind of at an angle. And we'll do that same thing over here, just to make another oval shape, just sort of at an angle. Next, let's go ahead and make a circle inside of here, or I should say more of an oval shape, and let's color it in. And we can do that same thing over here, just kind of make that oval shape, and then just go ahead and color it in. Now, starting here, let's go ahead and draw a line that's just going to come up and down here. And then right here, let's make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and down. Let's bring this line across here for the mouth. Then let's make a little line that comes down here and a little line that comes down here. Next, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to come down and then up like this in a big U shape. And then we'll make another shape just like that, coming right around here. Let's go ahead and make some little triangle teeth inside of here. Let's make a line that curves in here and a line that curves in here. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to come down and then in. And then we'll do the same thing here, kind of starting right by the mouth. We're just going to draw a line that's going to go down and in. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come out and then down for the arm. Same thing here. We're going to come out and then down for the arm. We're going to come out here and then we're going to make some sharp claws. We're going to make 1, 2, and 3. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to come out and we're going to draw some claws. We're going to go 1, 2, and then 3. We're going to make another one right here for the thumb. So we'll do that on each side. Then we're going to bring this in and then up to here. Same thing, bring this in and then we're going to come up to here. For the legs, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then in. And then same thing here. We're going to go kind of down and then in. Then we're going to come straight down on each side. We're going to make 3 little points right here for the foot. And then same thing here. We're going to go 1, 2, and then 3 little points. I want to make this come up and in. Same thing here. Come up and then in. And we're going to draw this line across. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come down and then up to here. And then we're just going to curve this back. And I want to make this jump right to here for Godzilla's tail. Now, right on top here, let's make a couple points for a spike. Then we're going to make a few more coming right down here. So we're just going to make these kind of like 3 and 4 points for some spikes. And we're going to bring these all the way down the tail. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down here. And then a line that's going to come down here. And let's draw a few little curves right across it. We're also going to make a line that comes here. And we're going to put a few more little curves for some scales. And there you go. There's your drawing of a 99 Nights in the Forest Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.